Cancer. This is your channel messages for the 9th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, oh my God. So did you see the video of King Harris singing to his baby, right? Is it KJ? And you know, he was getting his son familiar and all the people talking all that shit online. Where is your father? Where is he? Did he come back from getting milk or was he supposed to get cereal? Which one, right? King Harris, yes, him a sing to him son. He's there. Him not tell the baby and go on stream like DDG. Let's not talk about that. Cause this is just a weird ass shit that's happening. DDG can't get a fucking break. Anyways, right? He's in his house singing to the baby. He ain't having other niggas taking care of his child. So in honor of baby KJ, we have to sing for him. A KJ name? Baby KJ? Baby KJ! Have you met baby Hello? Rihanna don't want her baby to socialize. You know that, right? Come like my mother. KJ! You can have whatever you like. You can have whatever you like. KJ, stacks on deck, Pampers on ice. We can pop bottles all night, baby. KJ can get whatever we like. Hey, he can get whatever he like. Yeah, baby, we gon' treat you so well and so nice. You can have bottles on ice, KJ. You can go whatever you like. Baby, seats and blankets, whatever you like. KJ. Anytime you want to pick up your telephone, you know it ain't none to throw a couple binkies on you. Wanting you, get it there, $5 million home, drop in little. Yo, I want that blanket, I need that blanket. As long as you got me, don't need nobody. You want, I got it. Tell him I got it. Tell them other brokers be quiet. King on deck, patrol on ice, but we ain't drinking round KG, cause he can have whatever he like. Teaching him well. I know he got that from Tiny. I knew he did. Oh my God. King, you're doing well, King. Oh, I'm name King Harris. What's his name? You're doing well. King Harris, you're doing well, sir. I am very, very proud of you, sir. And keep posting the pictures. Some of them girls, I don't know who them clock baby daddy is. Some of them man, I don't know where their child is. So do your thing. I like it. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's just go. Gemini. Let's go. Gemini, let's go. Cancer, it's not Gemini. I'm doing Cancer. The 2 of Cups just fall out though. 22 just fall out. So I'm getting you're realizing something. I'm not going to take it though. We're doing Cancer, not Gemini. Oh, so something about a Pisces and a Gemini. What is your self-image? Oh my God, it came out again. Your self-image is a 2. Okay, so your self-image is you don't exist without another person. Right now, you want a power couple image. You have gained imagery by yourself, or me getting you feel lost unless you're with somebody. You're either born the 11th or you're number 2, 20, 11, something like that. Because we're getting your self-image is, are you a twin? Gemini, Cancer, you're a twin? Something about your self-image, something about the mirror or what you see is not what you're actually looking at. I don't know what the self-image also can be. People may hear people talk about being two-spirited. Now me feel like two-spirited is when your masculine and feminine energies is perfectly in sync. When you're perfectly in sync, people can't tell if you're a man and woman. Because you look like a boy and a girl. You act like a boy and a girl. You talk like a boy and a girl. But me don't know what two-spirit is, to be honest. Me can't really talk about that. But everybody have a masculine and feminine energy. They already had two spirits. When you lose your feminine energy, you start dressed like boy. You dress baggy. You don't want nobody to see your body. You criticize your body. That's because your feminine energy got taken away from you. You dress more baggy. Or you don't want nobody to see your body. Or you don't want to be sexualized. Not that you should, but me getting you don't want to be feminine. You don't want the beauty things. You don't want to dress up. You don't want to put on makeup. It's a hassle. There is a man who took away your feminine energy. That's why you dress like a man. So sometimes when you take away your When girls take away your masculine energy, you start get pet catty, you fight, you criticize, you're always in a competition with each other. The man, you ever see Burna Boy crew in a competition with him? You ever see Alkaline crew in a competition with him? No, because man don't compete that way there. Not unless it's an agreement that they're competing. Not even when them have girlfriends, them compete with who a girlfriend look better, unless it's a random conversation that came up. So I don't know, your self-image, maybe you think you're two-spirited. I might say that your chakras are in sync. The other question I would ask you is what you like to have sex with. Because being two-spirited or being having balanced masculine or feminine energies, that's something totally different from what are you attracted to in the bedroom. So maybe that's, yeah, deal with your self-image that way. Are you two-spirited, you're bisexual too? Or maybe it's more about the image. Is it more about how somebody look and not what them have down there? Because that's the image. It's giving me a man and a woman. Okay? What's your value? Your value is the 8 of Wands. So I'm getting your value what your fans have to say. I'm getting everything you do is online. Majority of people who give advice or what direction you take in life, you look on your phone for it. Communication is the 7 of Pentacles. Okay, so maybe you don't have nobody to talk to, you can't talk to co-workers, you don't have family, you don't have friends. So I'm getting you like post something online to get audience feedback and then log off and go back to work. Or something like that. What is your home life? The Queen of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting you married, you're there with this woman. So is it that the woman that you with is not a woman, she's a man, or the woman you're with should take away your masculine energy. She demasculinize you. Demasculinate? Demasculate you. Sorry, Anthony Miller, right? Something like that, okay? This woman at your home, creativity, yeah. Me getting you can't do nothing, you can't be creative, you can't dress nice. If you cut your beard, she ask you why you cut it. If you grow your beard, she ask you why you grow it. Because I'm trying to attract another bitch. That's why he's doing it. Him live with you all of a sudden, I grow a beard. Or I cut off his beard. Because he want to look younger. Because he wants to... Another bitch. So I'm getting that woman here, I stress it out. She's a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman. What is your productivity? You don't have no production. Your only production is work. So you can't change your self-image. You can't do nothing from home, even though you pay for the home, you own the home. You only can attend to this relationship. So I don't know. I'm getting the woman take away your masculine energy, or she take away your feminine energy from you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's your partnership? The Queen of Cups. Okay. So if the woman you're with is a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you want to be with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I'm getting a Pisces. You want to be with a Pisces? She could be Cancer, she could be Scorpio. This is who you want to be with. I feel like the Queen of Wands harsh. She harsh no fuck. Or me getting you like to have passionate sex, and the Queen of Wands have rough sex without emotion, more aggressive sex. The Queen of Cups have more passionate sex or something, some argument like that. What's your inheritance? The 4 of Wands. You will be getting a home. Now maybe you did buy the home. Me getting, you want to run out your wife, man, and tell her moving. Yeah, your pussy's so right. Boy, I'm if I tell you. Cock up your body, boy, and do not let go. Him no regular, dep on another level. I'm if I tell you, I'm if I tell you. And your body keep calling, I'm like, baby, hello. Sometimes she come over your yard and she don't have on her drawers, and you say what she dey punch, she like me come for your door. We drink and we smoke and we talk and we laugh, and a man a call our phone and a you a cut it off. I got him hook on that thing. Every day me tell him no codeine. To what we make a perfect team. Him want run out him wife girl and tell her moving. That is what you want to do. Me getting an inheritance is a house. The house is your name. So if the house is your name and she live there, sucking away your creative energy, every thing left the blood clot, girl. Never. What is your philosophy? The King of Wands. Make you think you're very smart, you're intelligent. The Queen of Wands make you feel like you're stupid, you're immature, you have young ideas, it has been done before. Make you think the Queen of Cups make you feel very intelligent, she make you solve our problems for her. Or you can vent to her. I'm getting Queen of Wands harsh as fuck. Did you need her to get the house? Or maybe the house is in her name. Cause I'm getting if she ever find out who you talk to or who you bring in the house, I don't know what argument is this. What is your ambition? Your ambition is the Knight of Wands. Your ambition is to leave your wife. I keep saying that you're going to leave this woman because she, I'm getting and have no creative energy. Now this woman could be a man. Maybe I don't want to be with, I don't know. I don't fucking know. What is your community? The Empress. Another woman. Now if you are a woman, I'm getting your community know you as a woman, but you're really a man. Or I'm getting you are a man, the community know you as a woman. I'm getting somewhat a sex change, okay? Or that's what the community thinks. Or in order for you to get this house, you have to live with this transgender woman, something like that. And what's your inner self? The inner self is happy. You're very happy with yourself. Pisces energy. You're very happy with who you are. Your family dynamic. Is somebody asking if you're happy being a girl? If you want to be a guy? Come getting thinking like a man. So because you think like a man, somebody feel like you want to be a man. What the fuck you talking about? Me getting because you think like your intelligence is of a man. Them think you want to be a man. Sir, do you want to be an animal even though you have one? Do you want to be a criminal even though you watch cops? What the fuck is what? Anyways, what's the 13th? What is your... Me getting you happy. You're happy with yourself. I don't know what somebody want you to change. I want you to be more beautiful, be more voluptuous. I want you to compete with women. I don't want you to compete for somebody else's love. This person, even if he have 3 different women, he at work. He ignore all 3 at work. It's only when he come home he make the decision as to who he want to sleep with. Or something like that. You're the 5 of Swords, yeah. I'm getting spite. This is the 13th card. So I don't know what someone doing. They live with a woman. Them said them and the woman not getting along. Them lying, them having sex with a woman. Then them having sex with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. And then them have an Empress here where them don't have sex with yet, but them eyeing. But I'm getting they live with a woman. Them live with a woman. Them live with her. And maybe the woman name is on the house. So I'm getting you better meet him outside. This is outside. You have to meet him outside or you have to meet him in a car. It's alright. You will the right one in the car if he's the right one. I don't know what I'm saying right now. It's probably the weather. 3rd eye. Aliens. Maybe I do know what I'm saying. Underrated. Temperance, the World card, and I was innocent. I'm gonna leave it here, Cancer. Until next time, bye.